If you're looking for the latest in cutting-edge AI technology, you're probably curious about FocuSee AI and what makes it stand out. This newly released software has been getting some serious buzz, and in today's review, I'm going to break down the 7 most important things you need to know before you dive in. Stick around because there are some key features here that could completely transform how you approach your business, and I'll share some insider tips on how to make the most of this AI. Let's dive in, starting with the basics. FocuSee AI is designed to simplify your workflow, automate tasks, and improve decision-making. It integrates seamlessly with your existing systems, so you don't need to worry about steep learning curves or compatibility issues. But what makes this software really interesting is how it adapts to your needs and grows with you. FocuSee AI doesn't just analyze data. It actively learns and suggests improvements based on your preferences, and that's something you don't get with most software out there. One of the first things that caught my attention is its advanced automation capabilities. Whether you're running marketing campaigns, managing customer service, or even analyzing business performance, FocuSee AI automates these tasks with precision. And the best part? You don't have to do a thing. It's as close to set it and forget it as it gets. But it doesn't stop there. FocuSee AI continuously improves based on real-time feedback, meaning it only gets smarter the more you use it. Next, let's talk about the user interface. Unlike some AI tools that can be overwhelming or clunky, FocuSee AI is remarkably intuitive. The platform is clean, and everything you need is right where you'd expect it. No endless menus or confusing settings, just a straightforward, user-friendly design that makes it easy to get started. It's clear the team behind this software understands the value of simplicity. Another standout feature is the AI's predictive analytics. It doesn't just analyze past performance, it predicts future trends, helping you make proactive decisions. Whether you're in e-commerce, content creation, or customer service, knowing what's coming next can be a game changer. This is a feature that sets FocuSee AI apart from many competitors, as it gives you a head start on optimizing your business strategy. But let's not forget about integration. If you're worried about adding another layer of complexity to your tech stack, fear not. FocuSee AI integrates easily with popular platforms like Shopify, WordPress, Google Analytics, and more. This means you can hit the ground running and get started without the need for extensive setup or developer involvement. What's also worth mentioning is the pricing structure. Many AI tools can be prohibitively expensive, especially when you're just starting out. However, FocuSee AI has a more flexible pricing model that caters to a range of businesses, from startups to large enterprises. And if you're unsure whether it's the right fit for you, you can try it for completely free using the link in the description below. By now you're probably thinking, what's the catch? Well, here's the thing. FocuSee AI is still new, and while it's powerful, there are some areas where it could improve. For example, the customer support could be a little more responsive, and the learning resources could use a bit more depth. But with frequent updates and an active development team, I'm confident these issues will be addressed. So, after trying thousands of AI software tools over the years, I can confidently say that FocuSee AI is one of the most promising tools out there. It's intuitive, powerful, and continuously improving, making it a great option for anyone looking to streamline their operations. If you're ready to take the plunge, you can try FocuSee AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. And don't forget, I've also included my recommended AI software tools for you to check out, all based on my extensive experience using hundreds of different platforms. Give them a try and let me know which ones work best for you.